Now if you want to have all of your holes in one table, we can insert tables. Now in order to insert tables, you can go here and click on tables. Now you can see different tables in here. You can see general table. If you need to create some data, you can just specify number of columns and etc. And now we just simply put it somewhere. Now let's just escape it. And if you want to create a table of holes, you can click on this whole table. Now what happens is that you need to specify either your two axes or your origin. So let's just specify our origin to now we don't want that. Let's just delete it. Let's just first create a center line here going all the way there. Now if we go to tables whole, and we can specify this point to be our origin. Now we can see our x and y coordinates, and based on them we will get all the data about our holes that we have in this view. Now we can create edges and faces, select edges and faces. So we can click on this face and on this face, and we can select, let's say, this edge, since we have holes there. Now if we click OK, we will get this huge table that we can. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Let's just move these a bit. Sorry. So let's just move this one. And this one as well. And let's just move this view. So now what we can do is we can add our table here. So first thing we can see with our tables is that you can specify stationary corner. So let's just specify this bottom right in order to connect this with that. Okay, now if we want to, we can just really fast go through a table. So we have a lot of holes that are actually the same, so we can just click on our table and we can combine the same tags, and now we get our table in a really nice way. So basically now we can see that we have 8 holes of 0.81 diameter that goes through, and it's pretty handy and useful. Now if we want to, let's say, edit our table, we can simply click in here and we can see some properties there. Let's just put this on the third. Now it's the same thing. Okay, let's just not. Okay, but if you want to add a column of your own, you can simply right click on it and you get a bunch of different things that you can do with your tables. So you can insert another one, or you can insert just a column on the right or on the left, rows above or below. Also you can delete your table. Let's just click on that. So you delete it. Let's undo it. Also, if you want, you can format your table to look nice, or sort the things the way you want, etc. Now you can simply go here and you get all of these options. So for example, if you want to, let's say, if you want to move this, we can simply use it. Okay, let's undo, sorry. So we can simply make this smaller or bigger, or for example, let's say we want to add another column. So insert column to the right, and we'll get this. Now let's just type in here, let's say description. Okay, now let's just increase the size. Sorry, the other way. Okay, great. Now let's just move our table a bit. Now, if we have our description and you want to describe all of these holes, let's say, I don't know how to drill them, etc., you can do that. And if you want to delete one column or row, you don't have to use your right click and do the stuff. You can simply click like this and press delete first. When you press delete, everything in that column will be deleted. Now if you want to, you can select this one, and now you can either delete the table or delete a column. So let's just delete our column, and basically that's the way you use your whole table. Now later we'll talk about bill of materials and all of these tables.